Hello and welcome to today's video. So today I have been very kindly gifted loads of amazing goodies from Cherryz. So I'm going to be unboxing and showing you exactly the items that I chose. So for anybody who doesn't know, Cherryz has an app and also a website, and they just sell loads of household bits, there's food, party bits, pets, just loads of really amazing brands at really amazing prices. So I do also have a discount code for you. It is Beauty by Brodie 20, and it will give you 20% off your first order using the app or the website. So I will pop all of the information in the description. I'll put the code, I'll put the link to the app and everything. So if you do want to check them out and purchase anything, then don't forget to use my code for 20% off your first order. So here is my massive box of goodies from Cherryz. Just bear in mind when I'm unboxing this that all of this was under £30, so you'll just get to see how amazing value everything is. It was really easy to order. I used the app and I ordered all of the items on Tuesday, and they actually arrived today, which is Thursday, so really amazing quick delivery. So thumbs up to Cherryz for that. But without further ado, I'm going to get this all unboxed and show you exactly the items that I picked. Okay, here is a little sneak peek of everything in my box. So everything on their website and their app is less than £10, which I think is really incredible. There's definitely something for everyone. Starting off, obviously this is not for me, but I got the cats a new little wind-up mouse toy. They did actually have this in black and white, but I just thought this was really good. Just literally wind it up and then it just zooms across the floor. I don't know how my cats will get on with this because they are a little bit lazy, but I just thought that this was a really cute item for them. Next up are some of my all-time favourite biscuits. So I got 2 packs of Toffee Pop Biscuits. These are actually 2 for £1. So if you've never had a Toffee Pop, it's like a chocolate digestive but with toffee in the middle, and they are fairly small biscuits, but they are absolutely delicious. Even better dunked into a cup of tea or coffee because just goes all melty and delicious. So when I saw these on there, I thought I have to get these. So next up, again something completely different, I got a new sponge. So this is their Spa Essentials luxury sponge. Next up, and just sticking with the bath theme this time, I got these bath bombs. So these are a 3-pack of Ocean Breeze bath bombs, and it just says here bath bombs with added fragrance. I think pretty much you know what to do with a bath bomb. I just thought that the Ocean Breeze fragrance sounded really nice. I bet it's really relaxing as well. So once I've had a bath and tried these out, I'll let you know how I got on with them. Next up is probably a really random item, but I got this packet of ceiling clips. So at the moment, for some reason, we only have one like ceiling clip. When I saw these on here, especially in this massive pack of 13, I thought these are exactly what I need. Next up, I have got these NY Coffee 2-in-1 coffee sachets. So Tim and I had these a little while ago. I think it's when we were doing like our UK trip for his birthday, and we had these because you know what it's like in a hotel. They're always really stingy with the tea and the coffee that you get. So we picked up these, and I hadn't actually seen them since, so I was really pleased when I saw these on the Cherryz app. You get 12 sachets, and they're the ones that just have the coffee and the milk. Honestly, can't believe how much is in here for less than £30. But next up, I've just got this cinema mix of sweets. I really like gummy sweets, and these look like a really delicious selection. So I think there's like an egg in here, strawberries, all manner of different things. They just look really nice. Next up, I have got this face mask here. So this is the W7 Super Skin Superfood Pomegranate Power face mask, and this is one of the sheet masks as opposed to like a clay mask. It says here it rejuvenates, soothes, revitalizes and restores glow, packed with pomegranate extract, collagen, star anise, green tea and witch hazel extract. So that sounds really interesting. Next up, I got this Fabulosa Disinfectant. So this is the Wild Rhubarb disinfectant. It's ready to use, so you don't have to dilute it or anything. It's suitable for vegans and it does kill 99.9% of bacteria. Next up, this one is another treat for the cats. So this time it is one of their favourite biscuits. This is the Purina one, and they absolutely love these biscuits. They are their favourites, but the big bags of these tend to be quite expensive. So when I saw just this mini bag on Cherryz, I thought that would be really great. I know the cats will love these. Okay, next up, another favourite thing of mine. This time I've got honey roasted peanuts. So for some reason, I only ever seem to get honey roasted peanuts at Christmas. Just a really great little go-to snack. Just have a little nibble on them. And especially honey roasted ones, they are definitely my favourite flavour. Next up is actually something that I've never seen before, and this is this big sachet of Bounty hot chocolate. So I hadn't seen this hot chocolate before and just thought that it would be really, really tasty. Next up from Cherryz, I have got a few more sweet treats. So I have got this bag of Pud Chews. So these are apple pie and custard, sticky toffee pudding, rhubarb crumble and lemon meringue. Delish. I've also got this bag of lollies because I really like a lolly, and these were actually in like a special buy. They were 2 for £1.80, which I thought was really amazing value. Next up, I just got this packet of cloths, so 25 multi-purpose cloths just in a big roll. I mean, you can never have too many cloths. They just come in such handy for just wiping up spills or doing the housework. And yeah, I think just a staple probably in most people's cleaning products. And then just sticking with the cleaning products, I got this massive spray bottle of Astonished bathroom cleaner. And I know for a fact on Cherryz that they did have quite a good range of these. So there was, I think, a glass one, just like a general anti-bac surface wipe, but I thought this one looked really good. It says it's tough on soap scale and watermarks and lime scale, and again it's also vegan. So I do really like to use these like spray foams for the bathroom. I feel like it does just really cut through any dirt and grime that does build up. So I think this is the final cleaning product related item, and this time it is this washing machine cleaner. So this is something that I have been meaning to do for probably far too long, is to just give the washing machine a good clean. I thought these looked good. It says it dissolves dirt, grime and detergent buildup. I think you just pop these in like an empty washing machine. Just back onto food and drink, and I just got this 4-pack of J2O. This is the orange and passion fruit one, which is my absolute favourite flavour of J2O. I've never actually seen them in the cans. I've only ever seen this flavour in the glass bottles. But again, you can't really go wrong with a nice J2O. And next up, I just picked up this 5-pack of Wilkinson sword razors. Pretty much speaks for themselves, just a staple item. Next up, another pretty self-explanatory item, but it's just this 120 pack of cotton pads. I do try to use reusable wipes where possible, but sometimes I do find that these are just easier, especially if I like go away and I don't have loads of reusable wipes. So it's a bit of a pain to try and get them washed. So sorry, I do still like to use the cotton ones as well. So the next thing I picked up was another drink item. So this is these Squeeze It drinks. These are the apple and raspberry ones, and I haven't seen these for years. Like, I remember having these when I was at school, and that was far longer ago than I care to remember. Yeah, these are just the ones where you just twist off the top and then obviously just drink them. They did have a few flavours, but I thought the apple and raspberry just sounded really delicious, so that's why I got these. The next couple of items are just kind of health and beauty related again. So I picked up this simple deodorant. This is their Invisible Antiperspirant. It's kind to skin. Simple are a really great brand. They definitely tailor to sensitive skin. They don't use any like parabens or alcohol in their products, and they did actually have some really nice little sets of Simple products on the Cherryz app. So if you like this brand, then I definitely would check those out. They look like they would make like a really nice gift. And the next thing I got is another mask, but this time I got it in this tube, and this is the Bio Glow Clean Skin Orange Peel Off Mask. and this says it renews and firms skin look. So I really like the sound of this because I've been using like an orange like serum on my skin, and I just thought that this could be really complementary to that. It does say here that this is suitable for all skin types, and it's just one of those that you pop on, leave it to dry, and then you like peel it off. So again, I reckon that'll get on really well with this one as well. Next up is another foodie item. So these actually came in a 2-pack, and these were just these 2 tins of coconut milk. I really enjoy making a lot of Thai curries or like korma, so these will always come in handy. I think always a really good thing to just have in the cupboard, just to like whip up a nice curry. And my final foodie item is again something that I've not had for ages, and I don't really know why, but I just got this 4-pack of Rolos because let's be honest, who doesn't love a Rolo? Like I said, honestly, I can't remember the last time I had a Rolo. I think, to be honest, I forgot they even existed, but they are really, really tasty. And you probably see a theme here with me liking chocolate and caramel, these and the Toffee Pops. And then just on to my penultimate item, and this is this Imperial Leather Cotton Clouds and White Cashmere Moisturizing Shower Cream. So I really, really like Imperial Leather shower gels. This smells absolutely gorgeous. You know, something just smells like it's going to be really, really relaxing. This is what this smells like. And I always really like a shower cream because I do find them much more moisturizing than just like a shower gel, and they do make my skin feel just a lot softer and a lot nicer. Okay, and the final thing that I picked up from Cherryz, I was actually really surprised to see this brand on here, but really just pleased as well. So this is this Bayless and Harding hand soap. This is the jojoba, vanilla and almond oil hand wash with added moisturizers, and I know that Bayless and Harding is like a really, really nice brand, so I was really surprised to see this on here, especially for such an amazing price. It smells delicious. You can definitely get the vanilla and the almond there. I'm just hoping this is going to leave like the really nice fragrance behind after washing your hands, because nothing worse than having a hand wash that smells nice when you obviously pump it out of the bottle, but then just doesn't leave any of that fragrance behind on your hands. So yeah, really high hopes for this Bayless and Harding one. Okay, and that was everything from Cherryz. So I want to say again a massive, massive thank you to Cherryz for gifting these items to me. I'm really, really grateful, and I'm really, really impressed with the range of products on Cherryz, how quick it was to arrive, just the price of everything. I just think really, really fantastic. As I mentioned at the start, I do have a discount code. It is Beauty by Brodie 20, and it will give you 20% off your first order with Cherryz, and you can order via the app or via the website. So I will pop all of the information in the description. Do go and check it out. I'd highly recommend them, and I'm just really pleased with everything from Cherryz. But thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please do give the video a big thumbs up, leave a comment, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing, and I will see you again in my next video.